So we made it to Puerto Plata Resort.
About to ride some ATVs in the mountains, baby.
Dang.
Down and dirty. I'm so excited.
Yeah.
The beat and midnight they feel the rhythm in your feet. Swing the bed on me and climb. I want everybody let's light up the night. Hands in the air, feel the energy ignite. Bodies in motion, everything feels right. Music's pumping, music's pumping.
Guys, we're on our way to Puerto Plata. Wait, let the camera just. Sorry. We're on our way to Puerto Plata.
It's about 6 minutes of driving away from the city, but he said there is like a lot of shops on the resort, 33 shops on the resort. 8 beaches, 28 restaurants, and they're gonna give us a tour because it's so big.
On a golf cart. This is awesome. So yeah, we're leaving. What day is this, guys? Day 3? Day 3? Yeah, technically. All right, we're going on the tour, you guys. We're going on the tour. You'll be famous.
¿Primera vez? ¿Todos hablan español?
Más o menos.
English? I speak English, no problem. Todo bien. Chicas, sit down. Something to drink, ladies?
Yes.
Agua?
Or
You make a little party last night in Cabarete.
Mimosa.
Until 3, 4 o'clock in the morning, ojito.
Mimosa.
first.
Good. No party last night?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, they party.
Didn't party?
Yeah,
we party.
Where you went last night? Mojitos? Ojos?
We did Ojos the night before.
Ojos was on
Yeah.
Monday.
Help you, señorita. Pineapple juice?
Sí.
One for you. Can you help me, please, lady? We pass to her. Orange. Thank you. And mimosa.
So we're gonna take the golf cart.
All the units that I'm gonna show you is for our members. These are two areas. You stay with the hotel upstairs. Hey, another store here, 1 minute to have another chance that you see this. This is Royal Suite. This is exclusive. Come on, lady.
We are out of it, literally. Really.
Exclusive one this way. Yes. She said the paparazzi of the room.
Okay, wait, hold on. He's walking this way. He's walking this way. We look. Okay, I'm definitely gonna get it.
$20 a picture.
Oh, sorry. We gotta pay the peacock.
Pavo real. Pavo
Pavo
real.
real. Pavo real.
They let you hold it?
Every now we got presentation, different shows. Yeah. And here we have the VIP.
No Umbrella Street, but hey.
Go ahead, check it out, please.
Yes. It's a mood. It's a vibe. It's giving.
Check it out. Take a picture whatever you want at the end of the day. That's gonna cost you each picture $20. Water, ladies.
My favorite place in the house.
The kitchen.
Yep.
You like to cook?
This is where I am all the time. Yes.
Yes.
I like to cook.
Oh.
This girl is fabulous. We got one of these at home. This looks like it's the propane one. I have the charcoal and the propane one. I'm gonna bring my mirror in here. A little shower right here. I know, I can't leave. This is crazy. This is so pretty. Especially with the jungle, like the trees in the back. What? Yeah, and there's a shower over there. Barbecue, open showers. It's so nice. You look like you belong here. You do. Like,
you.
this is my house.
I will be here.
Yeah, this is me.
Did you see the showers yet?
No.
Come into my room. Look at the showers.
What the fuck?
Look at the showers.
And there's two! I'm obsessed. Damn. This one is nice. Yeah, like, I love the high ceiling. Anything that makes me feel a little smaller, I like that. Oh yeah, I don't know about that. I'll take that.
Selfies, you know?
Oh, this is a camera.
Cute selfies.
Okay, you guys, so we just got our cabanas. We're just chilling. We're about to have some drinks. I'm gonna hop in the pool. And yeah, we're just gonna have a good time in Puerto Plata today. Hola. Hola.
Hola.
So my camera will record for 30 minutes. We're just at the beach right now. We just had some drinks and we're just enjoying our time, guys. Such a beautiful day. I think we've been to like 6, 7 different beaches, you guys. It's just been so beautiful. Beautiful sister. Yeah. My friends. We got Fede over there. Caleb, if you see an ATM, we stopping at it. If you see an ATM,
Go on the way there.
okay. This is fast food, y'all. Yeah, I'm like,
I got shorts up there.
I wore pants to the mountains before. What's wrong with that? I don't like to get eaten up.
So you better go in the water. You have nothing like that?
Oh, I do. No, I'm about to
Like
take. I just took it off. Yeah, no, because I want to go swimming.
Then we're good. Then we're good.
Yeah. Oh, y'all thought I was gonna go swimming in there?
That's it. Right.
No, just the ride, and then I got my swimming suit on under. I'm ready.
Get back. Get back.
I didn't get to bring my camera out here the other day. Oh, do you guys know a place where I could buy an SD card for my phone?
SD card?
Yeah. You know what I mean?
Where do you get that?
Hey. But hey, while you're recording, if you see any woman, just put the camera down so they don't take recording. Then we go crazy about that.
Oh, okay.
Because you know what they do. Hey.
So,
You guys, what are we doing today?
We about to ride some ATVs in the mountains, baby.
And
Down and
excited.
dirty. I'm so excited.
You got 2 vlogs going on.
yeah.
Hey, you want to go live?
We're in SOSUA and we just got these ATVs and they're just doing their little check, you know, make sure it's not our fault when we bring it back up. But it looks amazing. And this is the one we're taking.
Oh, yeah. Back home. Let's go.
Out this mother up. Go, put me on the hill.
What a minute.
Hold it, or you want to put it back on?
No, you can put it down.
Okay.
Every day, every night I can climb higher. Don't be luck, now hard work, now my desire.
So guys, we're on our way to go to the mountain. We're gonna go to this waterfall.
No shaking, no they fear, me I get the strength. I go find, I go into the very end. No shaking, no they fear, me I get the might. I go stand, I go conquer in the darkest night. I got the power, I got the power. No shaking, I know the tower. I got the power, I got the power. No shaking, I the tower. From the streets of Lagos to the world stage, I dey hustle, I dey grind every day. No be small thing,
Yeah,
I'm a
thank you for the blink.
shine bright. To conquer, to be free, to be free. No shaking, no they fear, me I get the strength. I go fight.
Okay, this is where we all meet up.
No shaking, no they fear, me I
Go
get
meet up spot so that we can get gas.
I go stand, I go conquer in the darkest night. I got the power, I got the power. No shaking, I know the power. I got the power,
Angel!
the power. No shaking, I know the power. No surrender, I go carry go. With determination, I go reach my goal. No shaking, I go make it. I got the power.
Oh, shit, you guys got it?
Yeah! We weren't gonna leave it behind.
Got you.
I got the power. I got the power.
Like, that's my boy's hat right there.
That's so crazy. I'm glad we weren't in the
He
mountain.
put gas in there, but he didn't put gas in there.
How much did you give him? 200?
200.
That's what.
We gave him 5. We were trying to give him 5, but he wasn't taking it.
It's not turning on.
Yeah.
Not 8?
Okay, you having fun? Shit.
We out here.
Out here, y'all.
Let's go.
Daddy said I don't
Let's get to the gas station.
I'm building my empire, watch me grow. I follow my passion, chase my own path, believe everything. They want to fight my worth. I'm chasing dreams, breaking me down. I keep on fighting till I wear the crown. They say I'm living in a fantasy. Who you the call for midnight? When the moon the high and stars get bright. Give me your love, your African delight. I dey wait for your call if you say you dey make my heart go tingling. With your voice make me sing. But sometimes you be like say you dey sing.
We're about to go get snacks from the market. We're back on the ATV.
So, and then we're headed up to the mountain. Oh, he's talking about Janet.
Oh, Janet?
Yeah, I think so.
Sometimes it be like say you they see me. Who you they call when you know they with me? Who you call when the night they fall? Who you they call? Who you call when you know they call? And if you like say I lose control, when I think say you they be they don't so why you they be they back go go? You they make my heart go tingling.
Went over a bump. Okay.
But sometimes it be like say you they see. Tell me.
A la verga.
Alright, so we just drove from SOSUA back to CABANAS. About a 30-minute drive, and this is actually the area that we're staying in. We're back up by our hotel.
Got Angel and Jalen back there.
Got Kayla and Jax up in the area. We got Mila and right here.
Be like say my love they waste. If you they call I know that make you tell me straight. I know if you take this kind of day. Baby tell me you there for the other end of the line. Be like say my love they waste. If you they call I know that make you tell me straight. I know if you take this kind of day. Baby tell me you there for the other end of the line. Who you call? Who you call? When the night they fall, who you they call? Who you call when you know that we? Who you
You did or what?
He's so irritated right now.
and if you like say I lose control, when I think say
just got to
you
go to the
they
store.
so why you the baby they back don't go?
He hates us. We need to stop now. So I'm not He was so through with us.
Man, I'm not about to go with him and that whistle. You better himself.
Alright, we're about to hit this grocery market so we can roll out. Oh.
Alright guys, we're going to the grocery store to get snacks so we can hit these mountains. What's up, Dylan?
What's good? What's good?
We're going to the waterfall. I'm excited for that.
So excited.
But yeah, we're gonna go into the store, so.
I beg you listen well, make I hear some sense. For this life with you, you get your own dance. Go waste time to chase shadows for night. True love the wait. Don't let her come out for sight. In this life, don't they play, go they roll. Now for love and family, make you find your home. With your future solid ground, don't be sad. My guy find love, hold on. Go find love, build family, my guy. Gonna let life slip by, no be hour. In the warmth of love, you go find your face. Young man, you never too late. No, they play with hearts, let the fragile like glass. For this love day, play and fair, no go fast. Take your time, make the love go strong and true. In the end, the love gonna see you through. In this life, don't they play, don't they roll. Now for love and family, make you find your home. With your future solid ground, don't be sad. My guy find love, hold on. Go find love, build family, my guy. No let life pass you by, no be hour. In the warmth of love, you go find your fate, young a journey, plenty twist and turn. But love not compass, not the lesson where we live. So now it's time before you realize that love not the greatest treasure in disguise.
Show me how you move, feel the rhythm, let it take control. Come baby, come baby, come baby, get in the zone. Come baby, yeah. Come baby, come, shake that body, make it feel like we're the only ones. Come baby, don't be shy. So fine, your moves are smooth just like vintage wine. Come closer, let me take you for a ride. Come baby, let's dance all night. Come baby, yeah. Come baby, come, shake that body, make it feel like we're the only ones. Come baby.
Okay, so y'all, we just hit the mountains for real. Because you know, when you start to do that windiness, you're going through the mountains. So this has been so nice. Like, we're really truly getting that Dominican experience, and I just couldn't be more appreciative. Like, look how beautiful this is. I couldn't be more appreciative. I'm so thankful for meeting new people and just, you know, exploring, being able to live life. Even though I have a 1 and 2-year-old, like, I mean, you can have a family and still live your life, you know, and still have fun. So this just comes to show, like, make sure you guys take care of yourselves, still travel the world, and
sunshine shining, feeling so fine, dancing to the rhythm. Like no one's watching in the night. The beat is pumping, taking me higher, letting go of all my worries. I'm on fire, hips swaying, moving to the groove, feeling the rhythm. My body's in the mood with every step. I'm feeling so alive, just like the summer breeze. I'm ready to fly. Let's dance all night. Summer vibe, that's the way it's meant to be. Stars shining bright in the summer sky, lost in the moment as the hours fly by, with friends around and laughter in the air. Summer vibes everywhere, we got no cares. Let's dance all night. Summer vibe, that's the way it's meant to be. Barefoot on the sand, with the waves rolling in, singing along to the songs of the wind. As the bonfire crackles and sparks fill the air, we're making memories that we'll always share. It's swaying. Let's dance all night.
that was beautiful. Bienvenido.
How do you feel? That was
Vamos al norte. Vamos.
Vámonos. They're just having so much fun right now.
I am loving my kiddo with it. I'm just like enjoying my life.
Oh, it's so gorgeous, Angel.
I have adrenaline. Yeah, I'm like, yes.
You should take it
That's why
in.
she's doing that trip.
Take it in.
I want to try to, but I'm black.
I want to try to, but I'm not.
Let me get through there.
Can you like, I want to do what Angel did. I want to walk across this thing.
Hold on.
Ooh, look at how pretty.
You can't of this.
We made a little quick pit stop right here to take some pictures with the sign and everything. No kidding. Let's go. How you feeling, Ty? How's the ride?
I feel amazing. The ride was great.
Ready? Let me know when.
Because it's been hot this whole trip. And so just riding and breathing, yes.
How you guys feeling over there?
Perfect. Oh, that's good.
How we feeling, guys?
Okay, photographer. Yes.
Feeling great.
Max is a good photographer. I give him kudos.
We got Jalen and Lorena over there sitting with the ATVs. Here we go, y'all.
So we'll be taking us a second to start up for real. Wanna take your shirt off? Take your shirt off. Sure. Get comfortable. Not me with the camera.
Yeah.
Okay. This is for the fans.
You over here too.
Okay, I see you. Let's go.
Your daddy said I don't make enough dough, but I'm building my empire. Watch me grow. I follow my passion, chase my own path. Money ain't everything. It won't define my worth. I'm chasing dreams, breaking me down. I'll keep on fighting till I wear the crown. They say I'm living in a fantasy.
Okay, you guys, so we finally reached the road where it just becomes like kind of hard to drive. And so Max just told us a couple rules about how to stop and basically just how to drive on this road. So getting to the little bit harder part of our trip. It'll be worth it because again, there's this waterfall. It was swimming. Fine, everyone can just wave with us. We got this.
Hold up tight. We got this. We got it. We got it.
It's real easy to go down this shit too.
So we're gonna lean back, all right? Everything's in the crib, Mom. Drop it up top. Alright, little spot.
This looks like the spot though. I'm seeing some water getting close. We're getting close. We're just waiting for our turn to roll down the hill. We got down there safely. It's our turn. Just real slow. Oh my gosh, you're going through the water. How cool. Oh, that's right. Okay. Oh my gosh, I went through the water. How cool is that? I feel like I'm doing something. I'm in Africa or something. I'm ready, girl. I'm ready. You're going through the water.
They went right here, right?
Yeah. She's the best. That was so good.
We did it.
Woo! My bad.
Yeah.
Not the littering.
Yo. Oh, my hand hurts.
That's what's
I
up.
got big hands like that.
Yeah, I know.
I meet you under the sun, my love, where the warmth of the rays bring us together. We'll dance to the rhythm of the waves, our souls intertwined, catching the island breeze. I'll search for you over the ocean, my dear, when the waves crash, but our love remains strong. No distance can keep us apart. Our hearts connected, writing the tropical song. Oh yeah, I will meet you under the sun, my love, where the sky and the sea become one. I will find you over the oceans, my dear, in a love story that's only just begun. Yeah. The heat of the day, love's melody plays so carefully.
Yeah, I'm like, well, let's just go down.
Beneath the palm trees, we dance and sway our hearts and sing. Nothing else can sway. I will meet you under the sun, my love, where the colors of the sky see no one. I will find you over the oceans, my dear, in a love story that's only just begun, yeah. Under the vibrant sky, our love takes flight.
Here we go.
Whispers of the breeze guiding us through the night. In the warmth of the sunshine, we find solace.
That was loud as hell.
They said they're coming.
I will meet you under the sun.
Another crazy adventure. We have to cross the water and go to the other side.
I will find you over the oceans, my dear.
Alright, let's see where he goes.
I feel like you need momentum to get through this one.
Right?
You really gonna have to go. Maybe we should rush down the hill.
Wow.
So it's like very
For another few, I think.
You know, a vlogger can't help it.
I love it though,
It's like, hold on.
because I couldn't.
Take the time out now. Ow!
I'm buttoning up. I'm buttoning up then.
I think we'll make it across.
We just
If
gotta, I
stay in
think we
shallow
gotta,
water.
yeah.
It's kind of deep right there. I would go.
Yeah.
Still kind of. Basically checking out the little river for us, making sure we can actually get across. Damn, I'm glad we don't got to be the test people. That water looks so nice.
I know. Ready? You got it?
Yes, Lorena! Woo!
You did that shit, baby.
She can drive, okay? Oh. So basically, the ATV got stuck in the middle of the river when Angel and Jalen tried to come up, but they were able to push it out. And so I don't know about pushing that uphill. Hopefully they could just drive it back uphill. You're not going to be able to push that uphill. I'm telling y'all right now. They're crazy for real. So I don't know if they're gonna actually be able to come all the way up the hill with this bike.
All right.
Turn off yours so it's not just sitting on.
Yeah, you guys just stay up there.
You know me. I got me some shade. Look how pretty it is, you guys. I'm just loving all the sounds in the jungle. We're in the jungle of the Dominicana. Angel. Yeah. There we go. It's all good. I mean, we did a whole lot, and that was our only issue. Yeah. At least it was a pretty place.
Yeah.
All right, y'all. We out of here. We rescued Jalen and Angel, and we see you, Max. Saving the day.
Oh, yeah.
Saving the day. Lorena over here. She the one to ride with. Oh. Oh, this is where we park. Yeah, parking's in the shade. Made it. Fuck that bag. See, I'm glad I wore jeans. All that water and all that mud. Oh yeah. I can't wait to get in the water though. We are hiking down to the waterfall. Made it. Got the drone master over here. We got Jalen with the drone. Yeah, we got Max with the tequila. Yeah, you know the party. So we made it to the waterfall, you guys. It's absolutely beautiful. We got the best authentic experience. We rode the ATVs all the way from SOSUA all the way here. How long did it take, Kay?
Oh, an hour maybe?
Maybe like an hour, maybe an hour and a half because we did a lot of stopping and looking around at things. But look at this beautiful waterfall. It's so nice.
How you feeling? How you feeling?
Feeling great. I want to swim, but I can't swim. But I'll try.
Jalen, can you swim?
I ain't gonna lie. I'm alright.
We might have to save him. I don't know. How you guys feeling? Now that we made it.
Hot and ready to get wet.
Ready to get wet?
Yeah.
Angel, you ready?
I'm already wet.
Ah!
Let's go.
Yeah, so we've been here for about an hour. This has been absolutely beautiful, you guys. As you can see, to get that raw, authentic Dominican experience has been absolutely amazing to me. So I'm so grateful. I'm like falling over rocks. I'm so grateful. I'm so thankful. Thank you, Max, for everything. Thank you, Jalen, for everything. If it wasn't for you guys, we wouldn't have this amazing local Dominican experience. So I appreciate that, because not a lot of people get that. They like to travel, and this is really the experience that they want. Thank you guys so much. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you guys subscribe. Like this video. We're gonna have more to come because yeah, we love to travel. So Lorena and I are going on another little adventure to see another water fountain. And we actually... I did. I keep saying that. I keep saying water fountain. Waterfall. This ain't recess. So pretty. Okay, so he's actually taking us over there. Woo-wee. Yeah, it's a real workout.
I don't know who was that guy who's there.
Eso fue, güey.
Sí.
Dang. I didn't even know there was another one.
Right?
That's so cool.
Allá.
Mucho allá.
Wow. Morena y morena.
That's so nice.
Oh, okay.
You're wrong. We're creating our own, even though it does look like a trail. Oh.
I didn't grab anything else with my phone.
Oh, the alcohol.
Fuck my money over there. I don't give a fuck the money.
The drink. Okay. We ain't got nowhere to sleep. It's all good. Oh, look at that, Lorena. That's so pretty. Now this is nice. Gracias. She brought us to this hidden gem, you guys. This is so beautiful. Oh my goodness. That was awesome.
Me encanta, gracias. Thank you. Wow. ¿Cómo se dice? ¿Rock? Tierra.
Tierra. Tierra. That's how you say rock in Spanish. This is beautiful. This is definitely a hidden gem in the Dominican Republic. What's this place called? Rio. Ritos. This was beautiful. I really love it here. And it's gonna be hard not to come back, you guys. I'm definitely have found in love for the Dominican Republic. Just in general. So, yeah.
I just climbed up there, you know. Like climbed up there. I'm gonna do it again. Wait, can you see it? We're making our way back. I don't remember coming through this. We're making our way back. It's so beautiful, ain't it? Dude, not everybody gets to have this experience. Okay. One more time. Yeah. Because it's hot, you guys. Any dip you can get, you better get it. Can you slide down? Slide rock. Slide rock. Hey. In Arizona, they have an actual national park called Slide Rock. And all the rocks are super slippery. And you can literally ride them like slides. It's a national park, right?
Yeah, it's called Slide Rock.
I wanna
And
go
it's
there.
in Sedona. So when you go to Sedona, you gotta go there.
When we're going to Sedona.
Yeah. Look at how clear this water is, you guys. Just all the beautiful minerals in the water.
Wow. Look at this.
Yeah. There's your little slide. Kind of.
Watch your feet. You can step down.
Okay.
Wait, you got the Gatorade? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
¿Cuál es?
Cerebro.
Cerebro?
Piedra.
Piedra, cerebro.
Huh?
Yeah.
Rock brand. Wow. I know that one in Spanish. Cerebro.
Oh, there's the sun. Can I see the Gatorade?
Yes. Absolutely.
I sure can.
I just feel like when you only have about a week somewhere, it's very, very important to connect with the locals, especially
if you're wanting that authentic experience. So that's my travel tip. Oh, look at that. Yeah, guys, that's my travel tip for you. Look at that.
Wow.
This is gorgeous. Okay, so we're actually heading out. Thank you to this absolutely beautiful waterfall. Gracias. Thank you for this beautiful experience. We're heading out back to the ATVs. And you know, we're just gonna ride back into the city. Probably get some food. Let's go.